Good evening, friends. My name is Pooja, and I'm going to discuss one of the interesting topic from market strategy, that is pricing strategies. So let's move to the introduction part. So pricing strategy. What is a price? The amount of money expected, required, or given in payment for something is price. So what is price? Price is a value to the particular product. So what is a pricing strategy? A business can use a variety of pricing strategies when selling a product or service. The price can set to maximize profitability for each unit sold or from the market overall. So it can be used to defend an existing market from new entrants, to increase market share within a market, or to enter a new market. So finding the right pricing strategy is an important element in running a successful business. So to decide any pricing strategy, to decide what pricing strategy should be used in the organization, we have to study those pricing strategies. So here are the types of pricing strategies which I've explained. So the first one is market skimming pricing. So the market skimming pricing is high price, low volume, and skim the profit from the market, suitable for the products that have short life cycle or which will face competition at some point in future. Examples is कि PlayStation, digital technology, DVD, etc. Right. So what is market skimming pricing? It means uh, at the starting point, what we do it is we increase the price of the product, okay, and we earn the profits, and once the profit is earned, we lower the prices of the product, okay. For example, suppose कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चीज़ या कोई ब्रांडेड चीज़ है, जैसे आईफोन्स वगैरह हैं. सो व्हाट डू दैट एप्पल कंपनीज डू, इट इंक्रीजेज द प्राइजेस, सो ताकि मतलब कोई कॉम्पिटिटर ना आए. और मतलब स्टार्टिंग में कैसे कोई इनोवेशंस रहते हैं, कोई नया चीज़ रहता है, वो उसके लिए कोई कॉम्पिटिशन्स नहीं रहता है. सो व्हाट डू दे डू, जब वो नया नया मार्केट में आता है, they increase the price so that they can earn the profit, and then they lower it. Okay, so this is market skimming prices, जहाँ पे high price रहता है और low volume रहता है. So the second point is value based pricing. What is value based pricing? It's the pricing where मतलब जो consumer का देखने का perception towards your product, right? So it is based on the consumer product perception, then price charged according to the consumer's perception. मतलब कंज्यूमर का जो देखने का नज़रिया, उसके अकॉर्डिंग से वो प्राइस डिसाइड करता है. प्राइस सेट बाय द कंपनी एज पर द परसिव्ड वैल्यू. एग्जाम्पल है इसके स्टेटस प्रोडक्ट्स और एक्सक्लूसिव प्रोडक्ट्स, राइट. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक अगर कोई एक शॉप में अपन एंटर करते हैं, राइट, तो एक कस्टमर आता है, सो ही सीज द product, its quality, its color, he likes it, but the cost of the particular shirt is high, so he refused to buy that shirt, okay. And at the same time, the other customer comes and he decides to buy that particular shirt because of the quality or something, and he buys this particular product because he likes it. Means the way he sees, his perception towards the product is to buy that product, so he purchases that product. He don't see the value. So in the one first customer, what he does, he sees the value and he refuse to buy. So what is it? It's the perception of consumer. देखने का नज़रिया क्या है कंज्यूमर का वो प्रोडक्ट बाय करने के लिए, राइट. सो इट इज़ दैट वैल्यू बेस्ड प्राइसिंग. Third part is cost plus pricing. So what is cost plus pricing? So cost plus pricing is a pricing strategy that is used to maximize the rate of return of companies. Cost plus pricing is also known as markup pricing, where cost plus markup is equal to selling price, okay. So in practice, most firms use either value based price और cost plus pricing, यानी cost के साथ जो particular amount अपने ऐड की होती है, दैट इज़ कॉस्ट प्लस प्राइसिंग. यानी फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक आपको कोई भी लैपटॉप बनाना है, तो उसका प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट, उसका सप्लायर कॉस्ट, मार्केटिंग कॉस्ट, उसका मेंटेनेंस का कॉस्ट, वो सब कॉस्ट के साथ जो भी एक पर्टिकुलर मार्जिन अपन ऐड करते हैं अपना, जो अपन को मतलब कॉस्ट और उसके ऊपर जो भी प्रॉफिट अर्न करना है उसका जो मार्जिन अपन ऐड करते हैं, राइट. सो दैट कॉस्ट प्लस प्रॉफिट मार्जिन इज इक्वल टू सेल्स प्राइस. सो हियर that is cost plus pricing. Okay, so the third one is, so the fourth point is destroyer pricing. So deliberate price cutting or offer of free gifts or products to force rivals, normally smaller and weaker, out of business or prevent new entrants. So destroyer pricing is यानी अपन offers वगैरह रखते हैं, right. तो the people get attract towards that offers and they buy the product. So here is the destroyer pricing. So, and I have also given the conclusion for this types of pricing strategies. It is necessary that the marketing manager decide the objective of pricing before actually setting price. According to the experts, pricing objectives are the overall goals that describes the role of price in an organization's long range plans. The objectives helps the marketing manager as guidelines to develop the marketing strategies. Okay, so here is the conclusion part, and I'm ending up with my slide. Thank you.